A Texas lawyer convicted of setting fire to his ex's Baton Rouge home may get his probation revoked. Christian King was arrested November the 25th after being accused of violating a protective order in New Orleans involving another woman. The State Office of Probation and Parole arrested him on a probation violation and later filed a request in court in East Baton Rouge Parish to revoke his probation in another case. News 2's Sarah Gray Barr met with King's attorney and learned what outcome King is hopeful for.
Michael, King was in court today for a probation review that was scheduled at the time of his guilty plea in August. Its purpose was to confirm that King is meeting all the conditions of his probation, getting mental health treatment, wearing an ankle monitor. However, the new arrest had already put him back in jail. King's attorney says he's grateful the court is not rushing the decision and is letting all the facts be revealed.
He's no longer practicing as an attorney. He does have a finance background, and so the hope was he would get a job somewhere in the financial industry.
King is a Texas-based lawyer, so when his attorney, Ron Haley, got a call about the case,
getting rearrested while out on probation and parole,
he was surprised.
I was in disbelief that I was even having a conversation with the district attorney's office and again, go into action and figure out what's the best way to help my client and his family.
King, being accused of violating a protective order in New Orleans, put his probation here in jeopardy.
There's a ring camera video of a black male figure that is a similar shape and body size of my client that is allegedly the house or home of a person who is prohibited from contacting.
This is the video in question. A man in a ski mask walking around a porch in New Orleans.
We don't know who that was in New Orleans.
Haley said there's no way to prove that it's King. District Attorney Hiller Moore says he wants Christian King in custody until his office knows exactly what transpired in the New Orleans incident. Moore says he wants King held without bond until his hearing in March. There was also the issue of King's ankle monitor, which was unable to identify King's location at the time of the security video.
We are maintaining his innocence. Of course, if it had been fixated to him, this could have been a very easier conversation to have. Either this was him because we know where his coordinates are, or it was not him.
But King has a history of violating restraining orders. He was violating one when he set his ex-girlfriend's Southmore Drive house on fire. Haley says the charges are serious.
I don't think you need to be an attorney to realize that the stakes that you have and what your do's and don'ts. And that's why I'm hopeful and prayerful that in fact that it was not him.
Haley says he wants King back on probation and to see that probation transferred to Georgia, where King has other family and wants to build a new life. The court has barred King's potential release from jail for the time being. In the newsroom, Sarah Barr, WBRZ News 2.